All right, welcome back to week 6, module 1. This will be the last video for the day. I will walk you through the guided practice and the independent practice both in this video. Okay, so for guided practice, you're going to watch the video below and answer the questions that follow. We're learning about Gandhi now. So the word Mahatma means great soul. Mahatma Gandhi is one of the most famous leaders and champions for justice in the world. He is best known for fighting against British rule in India and fighting for his people's independence. His principles and firm belief in nonviolence have been followed by many other important civil rights leaders, including Martin Luther King Jr. and Nelson Mandela. His renown is such that he is mostly just referred to by his single name Gandhi. Remember, when you see these blue underlined words, it means that that's a link that you can click to get more information for a vocab word or for video. Okay, so what you're going to do now is watch this video. It is a clip from the actual movie Gandhi, okay, and it is a specific scene of a protest that ends up turning into a massacre from the British Empire on the Indian people. Remember, if you cannot watch it because it's blocked for whatever reason, you need to go to Internet Explorer. You need to go to your phone or use a different computer to try to watch it, or you need to come to class if you can. That's my favorite, number 3. Or 4, you can message me directly and I could play the video for you, but you would have to send me a Teams message so we would be able to do that, okay? Once you're done with that, I want you to think about this quote too, where Gandhi says, "My intention was to inflict a lesson that would have an impact across all of India," meaning that he wanted to have a huge impact and to get the word out to all of India with what he is doing, right, and to gain support. So go ahead and pause that, watch the video, answer question number 5, and then unpause me, and then I will walk you through independent practice. All right, so for independent practice, we're going to read this very short passage called The Great Salt March of Mahatma Gandhi, okay? And then you're going to answer 2 questions, and then you are done with independent practice. So then all you have to do is your mastery check, and then you are done with module 1. So after living for 2 decades in South Africa, where Mahatma Gandhi fought for the civil rights of Indians residing there, Gandhi returned to his native country in 1915 and soon began working for India's independence from Great Britain. The massacre turned Gandhi against any further cooperation with the British government. In August 1920, he urged Indians to withdraw their children from British-run schools, boycott the law courts, quit their colonial government jobs, and continue to refuse to buy imported cloth. Now called Mahatma, meaning great soul, Gandhi spoke to large crowds throughout the country. We in India in a moment, he proclaimed, realize that 100,000 Englishmen need not frighten 300 million human beings. So, I mean, there are 100,000 Englishmen from Great Britain who are controlling the government and kind of controlling the society, economy, but there were 300 million Indians that he is talking to and saying, we can rise up and fight this together. Rather than buy British manufactured clothes, he began to use a spinning wheel to produce his own cloth. The spinning wheel soon became a symbol of Indian independence. Gandhi advocated a policy of nonviolence to achieve home rule, meaning that India would rule at home or rule their own country. In 1922, British authorities arrested Gandhi for anti-government activity, and he served 2 years in jail. So question number 6, what did Britain do that caused Gandhi to call for strikes? A, took away rights and freedoms. B, gave India independence. C, threw Gandhi in jail. Or D, forced India to fight in World War I. And then what are 3 things Gandhi asked Indian people to do to protest against the British government? And you're going to list those 3 things here that the reading went through. So when you are done, you can click on this link here. The link is also at the top, right here and here, or you can just go to Edulastic, but it's probably easier to just click on that link. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you for Wednesday's module.